Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and I am partaking in Jill Norwood Open Collab Saturday Morning Makes, where you have creators showing their crafty creations or crafty projects. So I'll list Jill Norwood's YouTube channel in the description box down below. Anyone could partake. So I created some bows, little mini bows, using this silicone mold. I saw this creator, her name is Joanne Barandi, use this. She creates like projects from styrofoam, and she makes also fake bakes. But she has some awesome creations over on her channel, so you could go ahead and check her out. So I think she had got a mold like this. I don't know if it's the exact one, and she said from Hobby Lobby. So I went on Amazon and I found this for $4 and change. So which wasn't bad. I like this because of the thickness of it, and it's very flexible, pliable. The mold, you get a good imprint and is not deep, and you could pop your clay out or your material out quite easily. And with this I use soft polymer clay, which you have to bake. And I think the brand that I used was Sierra Q. And then that was like a 12 pack sample that I had a couple years ago, and I went ahead and used this. I put these in the oven to bake. I set my oven at 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and I baked it for like 20-25 minutes. So but you follow instructions on your particular clay and how to bake them if it's bakeable. And you don't need much to put in these molds. And I just use like some little balls, maybe a little bigger than this size, to put in the actual mold. So you could create 8 mini bows. And you could also use melt your candle wax and use that too as well. You could use your hot glue gun and use the glue from that too as well. But the nice thing about the clay is that if you have the colors that you would like, you could use that, and then you don't have to paint. And you could paint over your clay too as well if you don't have that exact color that you would like. But I really did like this mold, and so I'm going to show you those mini bows that I created using clay. And when Joanne used her clay, she used the air dry clay. So there's all sorts of clay out there, or different type of medium I guess you could use. I have 2 different videos that I use, like my silicone mold, and I used candle wax with one, and I used my hot glue gun with the glue sticks. So I'll list those videos in this video itself or in the description box down below if you're interested in seeing those. But these are the little mini bows that it created. Aren't those so cute? So you could use whatever colors that you would like. So I also had some paint pens that I used to create like little dots on there. So I had a black one and then a white one. So I created some little dots, but I think they came out pretty nice. And then this particular molding clay is flexible. It's bendable. It's not really that hard that it would break. So those are the little mini bows there. So that's my share for today, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.